Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Pencil tool in Photoshop Elements draws hard-edged lines in raster layers. To use the Pencil tool in Photoshop Elements, click the Pencil tool button in the toolbox. The Pencil tool has many of the same options as the Brush tool, but cannot be used as an airbrush. An additional option for the Pencil tool in the Tool Options bar is the Auto Erase checkbox. If checked, you can then draw the background color over areas in the document where you already applied the foreground color to replace it. To draw with the Pencil tool after making your selections in the Tool Options bar, click and drag in the image window to apply the change to the currently selected raster layer in the Layers panel.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.